So it's 1 o'clock exactly, and I just sent an email. So whenever a helicopter, there goes a bird or a bat. Whenever it goes blurry, it's the 5G technology that they're using so that I can't. My ears are thumping, like fully thumping, like a heartbeat in my ears. Yeah, that's what it feels like. Where are they now? There. They're just, I reckon we should make a limit of how many times they're allowed to go through the suburb every night. Because the other night, it was 14, 15 times here. But yeah, a bat or a bird. I thought it was a crow, but it would have been a bat. So yeah, that was for me. They try and intimidate. They're just dodgy. It's just low vibe. How do I turn this video off?